Hey guys, I need lip gloss on. That's better. And eyeliner, I lied. I'll put this in the beginning with my bloopers cut. I'm only now realizing that my whole freaking forehead is purple, so you know, don't mind it. It's all good. I haven't done just a straight product review in a really long time, but since I've been doing Curly Girl, I've been trying so many different products. I've been trying so many different techniques. Fear not, I know a lot of you are on this Curly Girl journey with me and you're starting out the Curly Girl method and trying to find your footing, because trust me, there's a lot of information. I'm someone who has tried new products, tried new makeup, tried new hair products for a very long time and made kind of my job reviewing them and testing them out. This is the craziest thing to me because it's the first time every single product I try seems to give me different results. Where with makeup, that kind of stuff, it all is like, maybe there's little differences, but they're all kind of bringing you to the same place. Where this has just been like everything all over the board. I'm going to do a video going up tomorrow that is sort of a Curly Girl terminology 101, because I know when I first started this last month, I didn't know what anybody was talking about. It was a lot of information. The majority of the people that I would find online were talking about this stuff like I should have known what it was, because they were just so used to using the terminology, but because I was new, I felt like a lost puppy dog. We're gonna do like a little basics tomorrow. But today, I just wanted to do a quick video because I am like freaking out right now at one of the products that I just tried. Because I'm so new in my Curly Girl journey, I am in what is called the transitioning phase. And what that means is that right when you start it, your hair kind of goes, what's going on? What's going on? Oh my God. It's like it's going through puberty. So it's this awkward phase of your hair trying to figure out who it wants to be when it grows up. It's just a big change. So you kind of have to figure out what's gonna work for it. It could be kind of difficult because some of your hair might be heat damaged or bleach damaged or color damaged. Like there's a lot of damage that can happen, which can cause your curl to basically just be like a limp noodle, which nobody wants. I've been learning about all of these different conditioning, protein treatments, moisture treatments, different ways that you can diffuse your hair, different ways that you can put products in, and I'm gonna go over all of that tomorrow. Ooh, FedEx is here. Ooh, what are you bringing me? But anyways, for today, I just wanted to focus on one product because I've tried a lot of different creams to help my curls. I have a lot of curliness up here, right in the front, and then everywhere else was kind of limp or just wavy. And today, I tried a new product that I got from Ulta. It's the first time that I felt like, oh my God, this is finally progress in a really good direction. I really wanted to talk about it because I literally was like shaking when I scrunched it out and it looked like what I wanted, and there were areas of my hair that were curling that hadn't curled before. This is the most frustrating thing. And I know there's a lot of you out there that are with me in the sense that you got one area that's doing what you want and then the other area is just flat and no bueno, and there's just so much going on and every area is different. So to find something that actually seemed to work for me, it did what it claimed to do, I really wanted to share. This is called AG Hair Care, and the product is called Recoil. It's a curl activator, and it actually says on the back, some curls need a little encouragement and nothing defines, maintains, and moisturizes them like Recoil. The whole point of this product is to help with those curls that just don't want to spring up. I saw that online. I almost bought it from Amazon. There's two different sizes. There was this 12 ounce and I think there was an 8 ounce. And this one I believe was $36, but Ulta, I'm gonna check if it's still up there right now, but last week when I ordered it, all of the AG products on Ulta's website were $15. So I kind of took advantage of that and I picked this up and then a leave-in apple cider vinegar spray. I've seen a lot of creams, curl creams that, you know, say that they help with the curls, but this was the first one I saw that really emphasized on helping those certain areas of your hair that just don't want to spring up. So the way that I use this, actually I dyed my roots today, so I'm just noticing how I have makeup on, I promise, and the whole top of my head is just like not cute. That's the joy of having purple hair. Oof, I didn't realize how bad it was. What I did today is I applied my dye to my roots, which was the first time I've had to do it when my hair is curly. Oh my gosh, I at first like finger combed my hair out. I put a lot of leave-in so that it was easier to detangle it. And then I was sectioning it out and did all of that. And then I put moisturizer on the ends. And then I did this heat cap. I have so many products, so many tools to show you guys. Oh my gosh, I have so much curly content. Don't even worry. I'm so excited. But getting back to this product. So I washed that all out, washed my hair with my Diva Curl No Poo, and then used my Cantu moisturizer, my Cantu conditioner after that. I used this olive oil leave-in conditioner on my hair. I think another thing that helped a lot is that I used, because I was filming this for the video that's going up tomorrow, my hair was drying quicker than it normally does. Usually when I apply all my products, my hair's soaking wet. And for this one, I was like running around because I had to film and then I had to do stuff. And so my hair kept drying out. So I kept using my little Mister spray bottle. I'm going to link that below because that thing is amazing. I like it so much better than a regular spray bottle because it's a fine mist. So I kept using that on areas that were kind of getting dry because I've realized that the products that I've used, everything has worked better when your hair is really wet, and water helps to make everything work better. So making sure that your hair is actually wet makes a difference. But after that, I applied the recoil. And I did this with the praying hands method, which basically means you pray to the curly gods and you put the product through your hair. Areas that needed a little bit more of a boost, I would kind of finger coil them. So I would just take the areas like right over here on the left side of my face, there's these guys. This is the curliest they've ever been. They've got like just a nice little wave going on with them. But I would just, twirl them around my finger, give them a little bit of a boost. And then once I did that, flip my head over and applied my gel, which is Archangel from Diva Curl. Then I put it up in my plop, my wet plop. I did not use a microfiber towel or a t-shirt. I didn't use anything to get out any of the extra moisture. At this point, I just put all of my hair wet, soaking wet, into my shower cap and left that on with my curls at the top of my head for, I don't know, maybe it was like 20 minutes. After that, I did diffuse. Now, this is something that I'm trying out because diffusing is something that I've always been very much an air dry girl. When I would do my hair straight, I would always just let it air dry because blow drying, I never figured out how to do it. It was always like, make me tired, all this stuff. And so using a diffuser is something that I'm like, it's new to me because in my head, I'm thinking I can only do air dry. But I tried a different diffusing method today, which I think also helped. Beforehand, I would just kind of do the diffuser and keep lifting and scrunching and scrunching. But what I did today was I put the diffuser just on my roots to dry my roots. And then the other thing that I did was I turned the diffuser off, got a section of curls, lifted them up into the diffuser so that it was up in my head, and then turned it on. Waited, I don't know, a minute or so, turned the diffuser off, and then slowly pulled it away. So I think that this helped me because it actually, I have less frizz today than I've had yet. This is the best non-frizz day for me. So I think that that definitely helped to keep frizz at bay. So I diffused until, I don't know, it was like 70-ish% dry, and then let it air dry the rest of the way. Got a nice, super nice gel cast, that casting from the gel. I don't know why I had to explain that one. And so then when I scrunched it out, I'm looking at it and I'm like, oh my gosh, the front of my hair over here, this section actually looks more in tune with everything else in the sense that it still has, its pretty tight curls, but everything else kind of just feels like it was lifted up. I mean, my hair, the shrinkage I have, like my hair, because of all the curls, it's like a couple of inches, which I'm totally cool with. But yeah, I really wanted to talk about it because the only thing that I changed in my routine was this recoil. And so if you were like me and you're just having issues with those sections of your hair that just don't want to, you have the potential, because I know I have the potential for really curly hair because of just how right here is. And so when I see these areas that just don't want to cooperate, it was super exciting to try this. So I'm very excited that I got it. I'm very excited that Ulta had it on sale for half off for the giant one because they also had the 6 or 8 ounce one. I can't remember which one it was. So it was really cool to try it out, and I'm so happy right now. I can't even tell you, just because finally I'm getting that definition. I'm starting to see potential, and nothing is more frustrating than when you're trying something new and you know that you're gonna get there, you know that it takes time and it's not an overnight thing, but it's just taking forever. And so I was very excited. I mean, you guys can see this is the curliest that it's been. So I'm very excited. So I just wanted to tell you about this, recommend checking this out if you have that same issue as me, because I am blown away. blown away, blown away. All right, so I will see you tomorrow for our last video for this week, which is going to be Curly Girl 101, talking about all the terminology that I've learned so far, everything that I think is worth talking about to you guys. And I'll see you next time.